Hello dear students, so today we are going to study the chapter Editing Text in MS Word 2016. In Word 2016 is an application software that is used for word processing. It was introduced by the Microsoft Corporation, that is one of the largest companies in software development. Word 2016 has the power and flexibility to, means its feature. It can produce letter, report, notice, newsletter, books and bill, etc. In a presentable manner. It can modify the text both while typing or after typing. It beautifies the text by using the color, style, font size, border, shading and various other effects. You can insert graphics and make use of various drawing tool to draw picture. You can copy and move the text from one location to another. You can share the document on the internet and invite the people to view and edit documents which are shareable. You can preview it before printing it, or you can take the multiple prints out of it. Now starting Word 2016, how to start Word. So first click on the start button. When you click on the start button, go to the Word 2016 option. The start screen of Word 2016 appears, that is known as Backstage View. Backstage View is the central location for managing the Word document. So in Backstage View, you can create new, save, open, print and share documents and so on. So to create a new document from this location, click on the blank document thumbnail. Then the Word will be open with a new blank document with the temporary name, that is document 1, that you can change. The small blinking vertical line that you notice on the screen is known as the insertion point or cursor. It indicates that the position where the next type text will be there. As you start typing, the cursor automatically shift to the right. We can enter text on the same screen or create a new document. Now for a quick view, to create a shortcut of the Word 2016, drag it icon to the desktop. So it will be easy for you next time when you want to open it. Now entering the text. If you want to enter the text while typing in a document, you will observe that the Word wrap the text automatically. But wrapping the text means if the text doesn't fit the current line, it shifts to the next line automatically. Type the following text and observe the wrap effect. Okay, next is learning is like eating. They are writing some lines, so it will not fit in one line, then it will automatically come on the next line. So before proceeding further, let us have a quick glimpse of how to create, how to save, open, close and print a document in the Word 2016, which we have already discussed in the previous class. But for a quick review, we'll do it. Okay. So if you first click on the File tab, then select the New option and then click on the blank document to create a new document. Okay. So click on the New button on the Quick Access toolbar or press the shortcut key Ctrl+N. Then your new document will be created. Okay. Now saving a document. First click on the File tab, then choose the option of Save. When you choose the option of Save, then enter the file name and then click on the Save button. Your file will be saved. Or you can also click on the Save button from the Quick Access toolbar, or you can choose the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+S for saving the document. Now closing the document. If you want to close a document, click on the File tab, then select the Close option. So your document will be closed, or you can press the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+W or Alt+F4 to close the document. Now opening a document. If you want to open a document, just click on the File tab, then choose the option of Open, then this PC and all the file in your PC will be shown there, or you can enter the file name and then click on the Open option. So or you can also click on the Open option from the Quick Access toolbar, or you can press the shortcut key Ctrl+O. Now printing a document. If you want to print a document, go to the File tab, then click on the Print option, then again you can print preview, or then choose the Print option. You can also use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+P for printing a document. In Word 2016, you can also create a new document, save it, open an existing document, print the document either by clicking on the quick access toolbar or by selecting the new save and open and print option from the file tab respectively. Now next topic is selecting and editing the text. So after typing the text in a document, you want to make some changes. So making changes in a document is called editing. Before performing any action like copying, moving, finding and replacing, deleting or formatting the text, we need to select the text. So for selecting the text, there are so many ways. So you can choose any of them. To select the block of the text, we can use the selection area. Okay, so we can select it in a variety of way, in which the first is going to selecting the text using mouse. You can select the text using the mouse if you want to select a single word. So double click on the word. If you want to select a sentence, so hold down the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. Now for a paragraph, triple click anywhere in the paragraph or double click in the left margin of the paragraph. To select a large block of text, click at the beginning of the text, press the shift key and without releasing it, click at the end of the text. If you want to select the entire document, so click anywhere in the selection area while holding down the Ctrl A key or triple click in the selection area. Now selecting and editing text using keyboard. You can select the text using the keyboard. If you want to select the text, so the shortcut key are given here. If you want to select one character to the left, so shift plus arrow key, one character to the right, so shift plus right arrow key, one line up means shift plus up arrow key, one line down means shift plus down arrow key, beginning of the current line shift plus home, then end of the current line shift plus end. To beginning of the current document, shift plus control plus home. For end of the current document, shift plus control plus end.